at the National Stadium in Hamilton, Bermuda. Trinidad and Tobago, something of a gold rush here. First, we had Jonathan Farina, the boys on the 17-200 at just about the same time, and Willie Wright in the final round of the boys on the 17 long jump, 6.84 meters gold. Congratulations. Were you surprised by that final round effort?
Yes, I was surprised because on the last jump, Hamas boy come and jump 6.66 and was in front, and I knew I had to pull off the winner.
All right, so you came in here personal best, a true championship performance, pulling it out at the death, as they would say. You must be extremely pleased with your character showing.
Yeah, I'm extremely pleased because it's my first year under 17, and I did my personal best in the class against and win a gold medal. I'm very happy.
What kind of targets for the rest of the year?
The CAC juniors.
Congratulations, and Willie.
Yeah.
And Willie Wright, gold for Trinidad and Tobago. We had Jonathan Farina, boys on the 17 200 meters, 21.28 seconds. Boys on the 17 long jump, and Willie Wright, 6.84 meters. And we also have Keyshawn Walcott getting gold for Trinidad and Tobago with a new Carifta record, CSC junior record, Trinidad and Tobago junior record. A great second session on the final day for Team TNT. 3 gold medals so far. I'm Kwame Lawrence from the National Stadium here in Hamilton, Bermuda.